January 6th, 2021 focus question. Same thing what we did the past 2 days. Same information, same data. So Megan was given the following set of data from the teacher about the amount of siblings each student had in her class. Find the median of the given data. So we already found the mode, which remember we meant most. And then we found the range, which was the big number minus the small number. So now we're going to find the median. Median is going to be the middle. But the middle, when you put them in order, so you must put in order. All right, so let's put these numbers in order here. First, I have a 1. Then I have a 4. Then I have another 4. I have a 5. Then I have a 6. All right, now what I like to do, or what we are going to be doing, is finding the middle, the median. So, there's the 2 outsides, and then the next 2 outsides. So our middle is going to be right here, the 4. So our answer is just going to be 4. So the median is 4. That middle or that median is 4. And that's it for our focus question. Great job.